If you want to make your survey smarter and create a better experience for respondents, adding logic in SurveyMonkey is one of the most useful things you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add logic in SurveyMonkey step by step so you can control what people see based on their answers, build a more polished survey, and make your forms feel much more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open the site. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if needed and open the survey you want to work on. After that, click on the survey option so you can enter the editing area for your form. This is where you'll be able to adjust questions, add sections, and set up the logic rules that guide respondents through the survey. Next, go to any question in your survey and hover or click on it so the edit menu appears. This is important because SurveyMonkey only shows the logic controls once you're working directly inside a question. When the edit options appear, look for the logic option and click on it. This opens the logic settings for that specific question. From here, SurveyMonkey will show you the different logic options available for that question type. Now choose the option that fits what you want your survey to do. You might want to skip a question, send someone to a different page, or branch them based on their answer. Select the logic rule that matches your goal, then start setting the conditions. For example, you may want one response to send a user down one path, while another response sends them somewhere else. Once you've chosen the logic type, apply it to your question and make sure the rule is connected to the correct answer choice. This is the part that makes your survey dynamic, because it tells SurveyMonkey what to do next based on what the respondent selects. If you're using a plan that supports logic, you may be asked to upgrade before you can fully apply it. So if you see a message about upgrading your plan, that means logic features are tied to a paid tier. If that happens, review the available options and make sure your account has access to the feature you need. After you apply the logic, take a moment to review how it looks inside the survey builder. Check that the rule is attached to the right question, the right answer choice, and the right action. This step matters because even one small mistake can send respondents to the wrong section or create a confusing experience. Once everything looks correct, click Save to store your changes. Saving is the final step, and it makes sure your logic rule is actually added to the survey. After that, you can test the survey yourself to confirm that the branching or skip logic works the way you intended. So that's how to add logic in SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make a huge difference in how your survey performs. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.